Chevy's full-size pickup has always been a no-brainer, but the current generation has been around for too long and it clearly shows signs of aging. That's why next year's redesign is so important, as it'll once again put the Silverado on par with key rivals, both in terms of technology and capabilities. Don't get us wrong, you can't go wrong with the current model, but here are 7 reasons why you should rather wait for the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado. Number 7. Bold, aggressive exterior design. One of the first things you'll notice about the 2026 Silverado is its completely reimagined exterior. While the outgoing model still looks good, the 2026 version takes things to another level with a much bolder and more aggressive appearance. The front end gets a complete makeover with new jagged LED headlights that cut sharply into the design, giving it a more intimidating look that means business. The grille is bigger, more upright, and more prominent, taking direct inspiration from the heavy-duty Silverado models. This is much more than a typical redesign. It's a statement that Chevy is done playing it safe. Around back, the old dual exhaust setup is gone, replaced with a sportier quad-tip design that announces this truck's performance credentials loud and clear. From the side, the Silverado maintains its muscular stance but gains new wheel designs that make it look even more substantial on the road. The entire package is designed to turn heads and make the current model look immediately outdated. If making a strong visual impression matters to you, the 2026 Silverado gives you plenty of reasons to hold off on that 2025 purchase. Number 6. Completely transformed interior. There's one area where the current Silverado has faced serious criticism, it's the interior. For years, Chevy has been playing catch-up to Ford and Ram in cabin quality and design. The 2026 model finally changes that narrative with a completely reimagined interior that can compete with the best in the class. The centerpiece of this transformation is the massive screen that combines both the digital instrument cluster and infotainment system into one seamless unit. Similar to what we've seen in high-end Cadillac models, this premium display instantly elevates the entire cabin and brings a level of tech sophistication that's been missing from previous Silverados. But it's not just about screens. The 2026 model addresses another common complaint with all-new front seats that are more substantial, more comfortable, and offer significantly better side support for both daily driving and off-road adventures. Material quality takes a major leap forward too, with premium finishes throughout the cabin and much improved build quality. Sound insulation, another weak point of the current generation, will improve as well, making the 2026 Silverado's cabin notably quieter and more refined. When you combine all these upgrades, the interior alone makes a compelling case for waiting for the next generation truck. Number 5. V8 power lives on. While many manufacturers are abandoning traditional V8 engines in favor of smaller turbocharged options, Chevy is doubling down on what truck buyers love by keeping its legendary V8 engines alive in the 2026 Silverado. Both the 5.3-liter and 6.2-liter small block V8s return, bringing that unmistakable sound and character that many truck enthusiasts refuse to give up. These aren't outdated power plants either. Both V8s will receive updates for 2026, maintaining their impressive durability while delivering more power and improved efficiency. For buyers who want something different, the base 2.7-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder also returns with plenty of torque, and the 3-liter inline-6 Duramax diesel continues to offer nearly 500 pound-feet of torque and class-leading fuel economy. But the most exciting powertrain news is what's coming for performance enthusiasts. Chevrolet is finally preparing to challenge the Ford Raptor R with a high-performance off-road variant featuring a supercharged 6.2-liter V8 that could produce between 650 and 700 horsepower. This would be the most powerful production Silverado ever created and gives performance truck buyers a serious reason to wait for the 2026 model. Finally, let's not forget about the plug-in hybrid, which probably won't be ready for the initial launch, but once it arrives, it'll offer a perfect mix of excellent performance and class-leading fuel efficiency. Number 4. Smoother, more refined ride. The current Silverado has always been capable, but even loyal Chevy fans admit its ride quality lags behind key competitors like the Ram 1500. The 2026 model directly addresses this with a heavily updated T1 platform, unofficially called T12, featuring a completely reworked suspension system. Engineers focused on delivering a smoother, more controlled ride without sacrificing capability. Early reports indicate the 2026 Silverado rides noticeably better than its predecessor, closing the gap with Ram and potentially setting a new benchmark benchmark for the segment. The improvements are particularly noticeable on rough roads where the truck remains more composed and sends fewer impacts into the cabin. But it's not just about comfort. The updated chassis also brings improvements in towing and payload capacity. The stiffer structure provides more confidence when hauling heavy loads, while revised steering delivers better feedback and more precise control. For anyone who spends significant time behind the wheel or regularly tows heavy loads, these ride quality improvements make the 2026 model worth waiting for. Number 3. Advanced technology features. The 2026 Silverado isn't just catching up to the competition in terms of technology. In many ways, it's leaping ahead. The aforementioned curved display is just the beginning of a comprehensive technology overhaul that touches nearly every aspect of the truck. One of the most impressive additions is compatibility with Super Cruise, GM's advanced hands-free driving assistance system. This feature allows for true hands-free driving on over 400,000 miles of compatible roads in the United States and Canada, making long highway journeys significantly less fatiguing. The infotainment system itself receives a complete redesign with faster processing, more intuitive controls, and support for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Connectivity features expand with multiple USB-C ports throughout the cabin, wireless charging, and an available Wi-Fi hotspot. Safety technology will get a major boost as well, with an expanded suite of standard driver assistance features across all trim levels. From advanced automatic emergency braking to improved blind spot monitoring that accounts for trailer length, the 2026 Silverado offers technology that makes driving safer and more convenient. Number 2. Expanded off-road capability. If there's one area where the 2026 Silverado truly separates itself from both its predecessor and competitors, it's in off-road capability. Chevy has recognized the growing demand for serious off-road trucks and has responded with an expanded lineup of trail-ready models. The Trail Boss package continues, offering a factory lift, off-road suspension, underbody protection, and all-terrain tires at an accessible price point. But it's the ZR2 that receives the most significant upgrades for 2026 with 33-inch all-terrain tires, advanced Multimatic DSSV dampers, locking front and rear differentials, and upgraded skid plates. For those who want the ultimate off-road experience, the ZR2 Bison returns with exclusive 18-inch wheels, mud-terrain tires, steel bumpers for improved approach and departure angles, and additional underbody armor. But the biggest news is the upcoming flagship off-roader with a supercharged V8 we mentioned earlier, a true desert runner with the power and capability to challenge the Ford Raptor R. What makes this expanded off-road lineup so impressive is that these aren't just appearance packages. They're comprehensively engineered trucks with real capability improvements that have been tested in the most demanding conditions. If you've been waiting for Chevy to get serious about off-road performance, the 2026 Silverado delivers in ways that makes waiting absolutely worthwhile. The 2026 Chevrolet Silverado represents the most comprehensive update this truck has seen in years. From its bold exterior and transformed interior to its powerful engines, refined ride, advanced technology, and expanded off-road capability, this truck addresses virtually every criticism of previous models. Considering all these improvements, waiting for the 2026 model instead of buying a 2025 Silverado is clearly the smart move for anyone who wants the best truck Chevy has ever built. Number 1. Better value proposition. Despite all the improvements coming to the 2026 Silverado, Chevrolet is keeping pricing competitive, making the new truck an even better value than the current generation. While the starting price is expected to increase slightly to around $40,000, the 2026 model will still remain more affordable than the comparable Ford F-150 and Ram 1500 models, giving you more truck for your money. What's truly impressive is how much more you get for each dollar spent. The current Silverado requires stepping up to higher trim levels to get features that competitors offer in their mid-range models. The 2026 version changes this by including more standard features across all trim levels, effectively giving you more value regardless of which model you choose. Even more important is the long-term value. With improved build quality, better materials, and updated technology, the 2026 Silverado is expected to hold its value significantly better than the outgoing model. This means lower depreciation and better resale value down the road, making the 2026 model a smarter financial decision for anyone planning to trade in or sell their truck after a few years of ownership. But the Silverado isn't the only truck that's stepping up its game for next year. Its corporate twin is doing the same thing. So check out this video about the all-new 2026 GMC Sierra that you can see on the screen now. GM's more upscale truck is bringing probably even more impressive updates and upgrades than Chevy. Thanks for watching and see you next time.